and my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, we have just completed our prayers, right? Have you said your prayers? Yes, it is very must that you say your prayers every day before your studies. Okay? You make it a regular habit to say your prayers and also your national anthem every day, right? It's time for the video now. Children, teacher is coming. Come on, wish your teacher good afternoon. All of you together, okay? Yes, you have to stand up together and wish your teacher good afternoon together, right? Yes. So, what we have done in the last lecture, children? Which letter we have completed? We have completed with letter V, right? Letter V, right? We have completed now with book number 5. And we have last activity to be done, that is page number 14. Page number 14, right? Yes. We have this activity to be done today. So today we are going to do this activity, page number 14, book number 5, right? Yes. So I want all of you to open your book number 5, page number 14, okay? And also your red and line blue book, your pencil, your eraser, okay? Yes. I give you 5 minutes to come back. Okay, right? Yes, sure. So children, are you prepared with your book, your pencil, your eraser? Have you opened your red and blue book and your book number 5? I want all of you to open your book number 5 to page number 14. Okay, to book number 5 to page number 14. Right, children? Today's date is 10th of March. Today's date is 10th of March, and English teacher has brought you activity page number 14. Okay? Yes. What is the question written on the activity? Look at the picture and circle the correct letter. What is the question given? Look at the picture. इसका मतलब क्या है बच्चों? आपको पिक्चर देखना है. Look at the picture मतलब आपको पिक्चर को देखना है और करेक्ट लेटर को सर्कल करना है. ओके? यहाँ पे कौन से पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं? बताइए. ये क्या है? सन. 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 ये क्या है? टैप. टैप. What is this? Ring. Ring. This is van. Van. And this is urine. Okay? This is you. Okay? Yes. So now this is the pictures. You have to look at the picture and you have to correct the correct letter. Okay? You have to circle the correct letter. So now I have drawn on the board. Okay? All those who don't have the book, who have not purchased the book from the school and who are still staying in the native place, for them I have drawn on the board. Okay? For them I have drawn on the board. So all those who have the book in your hand, you have to open the book number 5, page number 14, right? Yes. So this first picture is sun. First picture is sun. Second picture is tap. Second picture is tap. Third picture is van. Third picture is van. Fourth picture is ring. Ring which we put in our fingers. Ring which we put in our fingers. And this is urine. This is urine. Right? Yes. So now you have to look at the picture and you have to circle the correct letter. Okay? Yes. Children, you have to circle the correct letter now. Now come on, tell me. Which is this picture? This picture is sun. Sun. So what letter you want to circle? There are 2 letters given. One is I and one is S. One is I and one is S. I, S. Which letter you are going to circle? Remember children, आपको करेक्ट लेटर को सर्कल करना है. पिक्चर को आप ध्यान से देखिए. ओके? गलत लेटर को सर्कल नहीं करना. राइट? ये हमारा एक्टिविटी है बुक नंबर 5, पेज नंबर 14. राइट चिल्ड्रेन? So you have to circle the correct letter and you have to in the picture given, right? Yes. So which picture is given here? Sun. So which letter are you going to circle? S. Sun. S. That means S. S for sun. S for sun, right? S for sun. So we are going to circle S for sun. We are going to circle S for sun. S for sun. Right, children? Yes. Second picture is tap. Second picture is tap. टैप क्या होता है बच्चों? जहाँ पे हम हैंड वॉश करते हैं, राइट? खाना खाने के बाद, खाना खाने से पहले हम हैंड वॉश करते हैं कि नहीं? आप करते हो कि नहीं हैंड वॉश? Yes, it is very must that you do your. So T. So which letter you going to circle? Which letter you going to circle? T, letter T. So I will circle letter T, letter T. Right, children? Yes, आपको ध्यान देना है, पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखना है और सही लेटर को आपको चूज करके सर्कल करना है, राइट? गलत अल्फ़ाबेट को कभी सर्कल नहीं करना. अगर आपने ऐसा किया तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग आ जाएगा, आपको कम मार्क्स मिलेंगे टेस्ट में, राइट? राइट ना? यस, आई वांट ऑल माय चिल्ड्रन टू गेट गुड मार्क्स, full marks, right? Yes. So first one was S for sun, second one is T for tap. T for tap. Now we go to the third picture. Third picture क्या है? Van है. Third picture क्या है? Van. तो van किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है? जो बच्चे वैन से जाते हैं स्कूल में, वैन से घर पे आते हैं, राइट? उसको स्कूल वैन बोलते हैं, राइट? कोई किसी को काम पे जाना है तो वो वैन से जाता है, राइट? पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप करते हैं तो वो V फॉर वैन, V फॉर वैन, V फॉर वैन, V फॉर वैन. तो इधर दो अल्फ़ाबेट दिए हैं V और L. विच अल्फ़ाबेट यू गोइंग टू सर्कल चिल्ड्रेन? आप कौन से अल्फ़ाबेट को सर्कल करोगे? V. Very good. So we will circle V for van. We will circle V for van. Right? Very good. So now how much pictures we have completed till now? 3 pictures. S for sun, T for tap, and V for van. V for van. Right? The fourth picture is ring. The fourth picture is रिंग. रिंग क्या होता है बच्चों? हम हमारी उंगली पे डालते हैं रिंग. R फॉर रिंग, राइट? रिंग, रिंग, रिंग. सो कौन सी अल्फ़ाबेट आएगी? कौन सी अल्फ़ाबेट आएगी? R है और K दिया है. कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट आएगा बच्चों? अब बताइए मुझे, आपको बताना है. बताइए कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट आएगा? R for ring, R for ring, R for ring, right? R for ring. Yes. Fifth one. Fifth one is which one? Okay, so fifth picture is urine. U-R-N, urine, right? Yes. So which alphabets are given there? B and U. B and U is given. B and U is given. So which picture, which alphabet you are going to circle? Which alphabet you are going to circle, children? Tell me fast. Which alphabet you are going to circle? Yes, it is U for urine. U for urine. U for urine. U for urine. Right? Yes. So now we have completed with the circle the alphabets. Okay? Yes. So this is in your book number 5. Book number 5, page number 14. I want you to circle and send the copy to me. Okay? Yes. And all those who don't have the book number 5, you can copy it from here. Okay? You can copy it from here. Your homework is one time. Your homework is one time. So kindly copy it fast. I'll come back to you with the next question, right? You kindly copy it fast. So children, are you ready with your books? Yes. Are you finished copying the first question? What was the first question? Look at the picture and circle the correct letter, right? Book number 5, page number 14, right? That homework is once. And now take the new page in your red line blue book, okay? Write there today's date, 10/3/21, and teacher has brought you English alphabet, capital alphabet A to V. A to V. So we are going to write today capital alphabet A to V. Okay? Yes. So come on, let us say the alphabets now all together. Okay? A to V you have to say. Okay? Yes. Capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, so we have completed till A to V now. Again we'll say once more time capital alphabets A to V, so that when we write we don't have any problem, we don't have any mistake. Okay, because we have to say and write. We have to say and write, right? Yes. So capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So now we'll start writing capital A to V. Okay, keep your pencil on the red line. Fast. Take a new page. Have you opened the new page in your book? Yes. Open the new page to write today's date, 10th of March, and write the topic capital alphabets A to V. If you are not able to write, ask your mommy to write. She will write it for you. Okay? Yes. So you start to write with me. Start writing with me. Come on. Pencil on the red line. And we'll write one slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, and then middle line. Capital A. You have to write, children, red to blue line. Okay? आपको red line के ऊपर नहीं जाना है और blue line के नीचे नहीं आना है. Okay? जैसे मैं लिख रही हूँ आपको वैसे ही ध्यान देना है. Right? Yes. So now we go for capital B. Right standing line, red line to blue line, and then curve. Write a curve. Two curves. Now we go for capital C. Capital C, red line to blue line, capital C, C. Then we go for D. Put a standing line, red to blue, and then we put a curve. Okay? Yes. This is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and D for dog. D for dog, right? So have you completed with the first line? Yes. We'll go to the second line now. Okay, you have to write along with me. Write along with me, children, so that you don't go behind. Okay? आपको मेरे साथ में ही लिखना है. Right? Yes. So have you completed with the first line? A, B, C, D. आपने लिखा है A, B, C, D? A, B, C, D. Right? Yes. Now we go to the second line. Red line to blue line. We write now capital E is one standing line, top slipping line, middle slipping line, and down slipping line. We write capital E. Capital E. Now we go for capital F. Standing line, red line to blue line, red line slipping line, blue line slipping line, capital F. Okay? Have you completed with E and F? Yes. So now we go for capital G. Put the curve. Put right capital C. Go on top. Go inside and come out. This is capital G. Capital G. Okay, capital G. Now we go for capital H. One standing line, another standing line, and then middle line. Okay, we write capital H. So E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, and H for house. Right? A for aeroplane, B for baby, C for cat, D for donkey, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for horse, H for horse. Right? Yes. So now we go to the third line. Have you completed with the two lines, children? Yes, write fast because I cannot wait for you. Fast, okay? Yes, you can pause the video, you can stop the video, and you can write slowly as you can at home, right? Yes. So now we go for next letter, that is capital I. After H what comes, children? I. So we put one standing line, red line to blue line, sleeping line on top, and one sleeping line down. So this is capital I. Now we go for next capital J. After I what comes? J comes. Capital J. After J we have capital K. After J we have capital K. After K we write capital L. Capital L. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, and L for lion. L for lion. So now we have completed with three lines. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. E for elephant, F for fish, G for girl, H for house. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion. Right? Yes. So now we go for the next alphabet. Have you completed with the three lines, children? Yes. आपको मेरे साथ में ही लिखना है. Okay? Yes. So now we go for the next alphabet. Capital M. I के बाद क्या आता है? M आता है. I, J, K, L. L के बाद M. So we write one standing line, slanting line, go up and then come down. Capital M. We go for N now. Capital N, standing line, slanting line, and then up. Slanting N. Capital N. O. Capital O. We put a circle, red line to blue line. Then we go for capital P, red line to blue line. Capital P, half circle. Okay? Yes. M-N-O-P. M-N-O-P. M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for parrot. M for mango, N for net, O for orange, P for parrot. So we have completed the fourth line, children. So can we repeat it again? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay? Have you completed with the fourth line? Now we go to the fifth line now. What comes after P? What comes after P? P के बाद क्या आता है बच्चों? Capital Q. Capital Q. So we write now capital Q. आपको circle डालना है और one slanting line आपको डालना है. Capital Q. After Q we have capital R. Put one standing line, half circle and one slanting line. Capital R. Capital R. After R we have capital S. Capital S. Capital S. Okay? Capital S. Capital S you have to put two curves and then ulta curve. Okay? Yes. Capital S. After S we go for capital T. Standing line and then one sleeping line on top. Capital T. Q-R-S-T. Q-R-S-T. Right? Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. T for tree. After T we have capital U. Capital U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. After U we have capital V. V for van. V for van. V for vegetables. V for van. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Right? So we have to write today A to V. So we have completed now A to V. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. So we have completed A to V now. This homework is for 3 times. Okay, you have to complete this homework 3 times and you have to send the copy to me. Okay, 3 times. 3 times complete the homework and send it to me. Right, children? A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun and T for tiger, U for uniform, V for vegetables, right? So we have completed A to V now. You can copy it fast. I'll give you 5 minutes to copy, complete it, and then I'll come back to you again. So my dear children, what is your homework for today? Your homework is book number 5, page number 14, activity. You have to look at the picture and circle the correct letter. And also you have in the notebook capital A to V 3 times. You have capital A to V 3 times homework. You have to write 3 times. So I'll come back to you with the next activity. I'll come back to you with the next activity. Okay. So stay home, stay safe, take care and bye.